Alright guys, so I'm back here. Sorry. I'm back at the John boat, and I made a little bit of progress. I've done I've done from about this part of the boat all the way back there, but I can't continue on because look, these walls right here, they're like hard paint. There's hard paint on there, and the sander, like, literally it's impossible to get it off here. I'll show y'all. It comes off after a little bit, but it doesn't come off easily. And so it would take me literally a couple of days to finish this whole thing with just the sander. But yeah, we got a lot of things to repair. Like there's a hole right there. We had to repair that just to make sure there won't be any damage. There's a lot of things we gotta repair, and we're gonna fix some stuff up. Like we're gonna put a wooden thing right here, and we can make this into like a live well. So we got a lot of things to repair, but a lot of just fun work ahead. And we got the trailer right here. We're probably gonna fix this up too. We're gonna put like a winch up here where it can just like hook on like a hand reel wrench or winch, and yep. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So yep. There's Jumbo, and so